County Wexford in Ireland is the birthplace of Commodore John Barry, father of the United States Navy.
John Barry was born in Wexford in 1745, evicted by the English when he was just a boy. His uncle was a shipmate and he taught him how to sail. A leader for the Navy, a hero for USA. Was in the town of Rosslare where Barry learned his trade, and he took a leap as the Irishman does across the Atlantic waves. He landed in Philadelphia, his life about to unfold. First command of the Black Prince at only 21 years old. Oh, sail, John Barry, sail, lead us back to land. You are the one from Tecumseh, Commodore John Barry, father of the U.S. Navy.
Irish land, who rose to fame in his adopted land across the sea.
One morning in the Atlantic, in March of '78, John Barry commanded 7 small ships to attack a British fleet. The English didn't know when the crew jumped on board and surrendered all they had. And the word cried out to the foreign land to arrest the Irishman. Oh, sail, John Barry, sail, lead us back to land. You are the one from Tecumseh, Commodore John Barry, father of the U.S. Navy.
War hero who captured the first British warship taken by the Americans.
Came a little message the English had sent to John. They offered him £20,000 and command of any ship he wants. He said for not all the money in the world would take him from his adopted land. John Barry would go on to become an honorable American man. Oh, sail, John Barry, sail, lead us back to land. You are the one from Tecumseh, Commodore John Barry, father of the U.S. Navy.
Barry was appointed Commodore and placed in command of the frigate United States.
Now as he stands in Wexford and he looks out across the sea, I wonder what it would have been like to emigrate at just 15. And standing in front of Independence Hall is a statue of Wexford's John, adopted by America, but will always be Wexford's son. Oh, sail, John Barry, sail, lead us back to land. You are the one from Tecumseh, Commodore John Barry, father of the U.S. Navy.
And I must say that in the United States, millions of your sons and daughters and cousins, 25 million, in fact, you see something of what is great about Ireland.